Palestine Street was called Kakh Street before the 1978 revolution. Palestine Street is a north-south street in the center of Tehran. This street is limited to Zartosht Street from the west to the north and to Imam Ali Officer University, and Imam Khomeini Street from the south. Palestine Street continues from the north of Joybar Street, which ends in Fatemi Square. This street intersects from north to south with Keshavarz Boulevard, Taleghani Street, Enghelab Street, Jomhouri Street, and Pasteur Street, presidential institution, respectively. The southern part of this street is located within the boundaries of the presidential institution, the Marmar Palace or Marble Palace, the meeting place of the Expediency Discernment Council, and Imam Khomeini House of Leadership. I hope you one day go to Palestine Street. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, hit the like and leave the comment, and make sure to hit subscribe button and turn on your notification. And finally, I hope to see you in the next video. جزاك الله خير.